Welcome to another railway photography video. Well, actually, I'm not going to start with that. I'm going to go into the Hellifield station cafe. They've got books for sale. So many books to choose. Gotta find some that I haven't got. So far, I found two. There's also some Railway Mania for sale here. And there's a whole nose of a class 37. Well, I made some purchases in the Hellifield shop. Anyway, down a place called Gowdall, or just coming out of the village. I'm on a public right of way, heading to the line side, and the line I'm heading to is the one that feeds in and out of Drax power station. I've got the drone, got a camera. Let's see what we can come up with. Weather is okay, not brilliant, but I'm here, so we'll give it a go. Oh, look at this lovely bridge. Hello, ponies. They're on what was an old railway. Do you like your old railway as a place to stay? You are lovely, aren't you? Hello. So, over there to my right is a pony. Do you like the view of Drax power station, pony? You do. So do I. The Drax power station is over there. Well, I have to say this is a lovely walk and it's brightening up. There's the line over there. That's quite a nice view, isn't it? That shot of side on, but I want to get the bridge over the River Aire. Sounds like there's something coming, which I haven't accounted for. Bloody hell. Well, that's not showing down here. Anyway, let's get a photo with a phone camera. There we go. Oh, it's a video. Hillock. No photo. Never mind. Zoom in a bit with the iPhone. There we go. Damn. Never mind. So the one train that there was just as I arrived, I buggered up. And the sun's out now. The rainbow's almost a full one there. Oh, the lovely rain. Still an hour before a train. Might be some other shots where I can shelter a bit. The reason to go there was really to get a drone. With it raining, the drone's out of commission. Great. Also, too many nice pictures there I've seen taken by others in the sunshine. Now, I'm not normally worried about the rain, the gloomy weather, but when you're out in the open countryside, it depends. You want some atmosphere. I don't think there's much atmosphere at the moment. It was good whilst there was a rainbow and the black clouds, brilliant. It's always pop luck, but the lack of traffic for almost another hour put the spade to it. It's raining like hell. I'm at Brocklesby. A couple of trains coming. First as a passenger. Well, I should be. Have I got my calculations right? There it is. Let's see if we can get a telephoto shot. Quite nice with the like the rain, with the headlights down the track there. Now the passenger's going to go straight underneath the bridge here. There's a freight due 10 minutes. In 10 minutes time. That'll go round to the right here. I think it might just stop raining. I'm going to try and do this and then rush across, grab on with the 45mm lens from the other camera. This might be a bit mad. Empty iron ore. The road's clear. Now I've dropped the microphone somewhere, I can't find it, but we'll get this oil train anyway. Working, here we go. Lovely. I'm going to have to find my microphone somewhere on this bridge, in this grass. I got some shots of the oil tanks, which looked okay. There's a biomass about to come by. A day that's not been brilliant, and now, here we are. Here comes the biomass. The only problem with this bridge is there's a lot of traffic. Now I'll put the microphone in my pocket now, so I don't mess up again and lose it into the grass. And there's traffic, so will I get across the road without being run over? Quick look left and right, and off we go. Whoa! Right, 35mm wide angle. Go. Get the box in. Lovely. Then I'm going to do the same again and get that distant shot. And go this way a bit. Distant shot with a telephoto. One of them will be okay. Right, what's coming next? Ooh, if there's something coming out, it'd be quite nice because I could incorporate the lovely station building. There's a passenger heading to Cleethorpes and Grimsby or whatever. I'm going to get a wide angle shot. Look at that sky. I'll use the 35mm lens. I'm going to get a going away shot. Here we go. How's it going to look? Okay, through she goes. Sky is amazing, but there's no more trains due, freight trains that is, until after dark. None out of Scunthorpe, which would be really nice if there was one. That can make a really fantastic image. Well, it's not been the best of days, but look at that lovely sky. Now there's no trains. Thanks ever so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, then please subscribe, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.